everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Hi Ankit, welcome to IWM Buzz. How are you?
I'm doing excellent, doing fantastic. Thank you for having me over.
What's happening? Where are you busy these days?
I'm busy going to the gym and of course some digital work because just like you guys, it's a digital platform. So I think digital is the next thing, the Gen Next. So I'm really excited about that. So we're doing something for digital and of course television shows are in the pipeline.
Okay, so like a lot of audience are asking कि आप कब आओगे वापस टेलीविजन पे, बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी हो रही है उसके अराउंड. So उनको भी थोड़ा हिंट दे दो कि आप आ रहे हो, कब आ रहे हो.
अभी तो मैं यही कह सकता हूँ कि very soon, I hope very soon, and this will be again for a leading channel, and but totally different than Thabki because Thabki was totally of Saas Bahu drama, and the new stint is totally different from Saas Bahu drama, so that will be exciting. But yes, there is something in the web which is coming very soon. So I've just signed up for something with Zoom, and that's going to come really soon.
Okay, they'll see you on the digital platform now.
Absolutely. Abhi, I'm sure everybody has watched me on Love, Lust and Confusion.
Yes.
So that was very interesting, and I got a lot of comments saying, "Fuck you, smooching someone on screen. You are the good boy." So I had to tell them that, guys, this is a character, and of course, you can kind of smooth someone on screen. So very interesting. Yeah.
Okay, so how was your experience working for the web show?
I think web was really brilliant because as an actor you get so much to experiment. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो यार, and there is no restriction on your movement, there is no restriction on the camera, and the stories are very interesting because normally in television we still have to stick to कुछ चीजें हमें करनी पड़ती हैं, but in web you're totally free and it's a director's call, so that's the interesting part about web.
Okay, so a lot of fans were waiting, I guess, so we'll take their questions. Aman Bhatnagar is asking, what have you learned from the directors that you have worked throughout your career?
So Aman, I think one most important thing is, as an actor, we should remember that you have to be the director's actor. Sometimes you feel that यार ये director मुझे ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा है to walk from this place to this place, and why is he telling me to get less angry when I want to get more angry? But I think trust your director's judgment. He knows you more than you yourself do. So that's what is my tip and what I've learned from directors.
Okay, Ram is saying you're looking very smart today.
Thank you, Ram. Thank you so much. I think the gym is showing up. In fact, मेरी सारी shirts tight हो गई यार.
Okay, your Indonesian fans are also here. So Helena is asking, hi Ankit, when are you coming to Jakarta?
Helena, apa kabar? Aku baik. So guys who don't know this, it means how are you doing? I am doing great, and inshallah very soon kita balik lagi Indonesia.
Okay, Ankur wants to know, how did you enter in the acting field and what age?
So I don't remember the age because since I remember मैं बहुत बड़ा ड्रामेबाज था, so I've always been acting, I think, and I believe we all are actors यार. जब हम लोग छोटे भी होते हैं we keep acting. जब हमें टॉफी चाहिए होती है तब भी हम लोग रोक के दिखाते हैं मम्मी पापा को when we're really not angry, sad. So I don't remember the age, but honestly I had two dreams. One, to be a doctor, and the second was to be an actor. Then I got confused to be a teacher and then a pilot. So I said, let's leave everything. Let's be the actor which can do everything.
Yeah.
So that's why I took up acting.
Okay, Prachi is asking, what's your favorite pastime?
Well, a lot of my fans know this, Prachi. My favorite pastime is cooking. I love to cook and break the myth that only women should know how to cook. I think men should also know how to cook, and I think men are really good cooks as well. So I love to cook, and other than that, I love to go on hiking, and swimming is something which I really love.
Okay, Ainur is asking, any question for you? What do you say about 1 million followers that you've received?
Ainur, I still remember you, and I remember the day when you kept saying Ainur, Ankit. So I always remember that. Tirumakasi untuk chinta kamu. Thank you so much for your love. And 1 million followers, it's a big family on Instagram. And honestly, I had never thought that I'll be 1 million followers, and thanks to all of you, all my fans across the world, I'm today sitting at 1 million family. Thank you so much.
Okay, Satyajit Nayak is asking that how was your Thabki experience?
Tapki was brilliant because as my character Dhruv, it made me experience a lot of emotions, different shades of the character, which was brilliant. Dhruv was total sadu and a very bossy guy. Then he became totally romantic, fell in love. Then he became hurt. Then he was an angry young man to somebody who wanted to take revenge. So I think it was a mix of emotions, which has really been a great learning.
Okay, Anuj is asking what's your favorite TV show? Are you watching?
Bad question. So I think all television shows are amazing. So I don't really have a particular favorite TV show, but yeah, I think I'm watching. I'm very excited for this show called Muskan because which is coming up now on Star because it looks very interesting. So I'm very excited about Muskan and my best friend has written a part of this show as well. So I'm very excited for that show.
Nice. Okay, Lavish Jane is asking what's the secret behind your fitness?
Behind my fitness?
Yes.
The only secret is eat right, exercise every day, and just maintain the momentum. That's it. Simple.
Okay, I know you're saying why are you so humble?
Why am I so humble? Because because I think it's because of my mom. You know, I remember she used to, even when we were kids, she used to tell us this story, which is very common in India, Ainur, which says that, you know, if you have a tree, and it's, normally they talk about a mango tree. So when it starts having a lot of mangoes, it bends down. So I think if you get a lot of love from fans, and if you're really successful, it's like having mangoes on you, so you should go down. So which is being humble.
Okay, Shilpa is asking what's your favorite current movie?
Current movie?
Yeah.
So I loved Alia Bhatt. I love Alia Bhatt totally and Deepika Padukone. But right now her film Razi is beautiful. I think it's a fantastic piece of work.
Very true. Okay, Vikas Verma is asking what's the motto or advice that you live by in your life?
Well, again, something which I keep saying: spread love and spread smile. That's my motto in life because that's what we are made for, and that's why we are humans.
Okay, Ashti is asking that if any day you feel sad, what do you do?
So I pray because I think when you cannot see anything and you're really sad, you should just look at you know yourself, the God within you, and if you pray to a deity, then it can be to him. But wherever, just pray whichever faith you believe in.
Okay. Ankitin's fan page of yours is asking who inspire you?
Who inspires me?
Yeah.
I think it's my my nani, which is my maternal grandmother, because so now she's probably 85, touching 90, but which is my mom's mother, but she's still working, and she always tells me, and she'll always say, don't worry, if you have the strength, if you have the wisdom, it will happen, whatever. So I think that's what really inspires me every day.
Okay, Ritu Agarwal is asking what's your favorite cuisine?
Anything. I think anything. Food is something which I love, but yes, I love Chinese and Thai.
Okay, Shilpa is saying, Ankit, tomorrow is my exam. It would be great if you could wish me.
All the very best. Do well. Me wishing will not make a difference. I hope you have studied and make your parents proud.
How were you as a child?
So how was I as a child? I was a very studious kid actually.
Okay.
I'm very boring. So now I think become more interesting. I've scored 93% in my 10th and 94 in my 12th. So I don't know how, but this is what I've done. Yes.
Okay, like childhood, were you very masti-khor or something?
No, I used to be a very scared kid because I was very fat. So I was 120 kgs, guys.
Oh my god.
Literally
really?
120 kgs. And so I used to be really scared because मुझे लगता था कि यार अगर मैं झूले पे बैठूंगा तो probably the swing will break, and because of me everybody will die. So I would never sit on the swings and all of that. But that was interesting. But yeah, now I think I've developed my personality to be more open.
Oh, okay. Manan, a fan, is asking some line that you can tell about your co-actors.
Some line?
Yeah, like few things you can talk about them.
So there are a lot of co-actors actually, but now that the recent one is Tu Suraj Mein Saanj on Star and Thabki. So so Avinash, who is who is playing the main person in the Uma in the show, he's a total fitness freak. He doesn't even have coffee, guys. He has only black coffee. And it's amazing to see how fit he is even when he has a kid. It's amazing. So I think that's what I love about him. And then Thapki, of course, we've had a lot of fun together, all of us, the whole team. Monica is a total Madhuri Dixit fan. You can make her dance on Madhuri Dixit songs anytime you want. So that's interesting. And Jaya Bhattacharya is, she loves dogs.
Yeah.
So she lives for dogs, basically.
Nice. Okay, Ankita Dina, a fan of yours, she's saying best wishes for you, your new song. I'm sure you will definitely going to rock it. Much love from Canada.
Thank you so much, Ankita Dena. I see all your DMs, and to all my fans all over the world, you send me so much of love through DMs. I know I'm not able to reply to all, but as I always say, and a lot of my fans know, I at least reply once. So I'm still in the process. There are lot of messages pending, but I try and reply to at least 10 fans every day. So so thank you so much for all the love.
Okay, so Ankit had a surprise for all of us. So he'll sing a song. वैसे भी आपके बहुत सारे fans ने already request कर दिया है कि please sing.
Yeah, I don't know why they think I'm a good singer, which I'm not. So you know what, this song is basically it was my sister's wedding recently, and I didn't know what to gift her because obviously the remaining part is done. But she used to always tell me as a kid that you cannot sing. So Ankit, don't ever sing. So I said, all right, so let's do it. So this is what I did. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly play the song and sing along.
Okay, nice.
And also I'm gonna put this on my YouTube, which is Ankit Batla. So please go and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see the video. But I am definitely going to sing this for you right now, and have you guys hopefully enjoy it.
Well, definitely.
From his heart, I love you, baby. You always have me by your side. Oh, behna, meri behna, samjhna koi apna, sang mere यूं ही रहना तू. Oh, behna, meri behna, संग मेरे ज़्यादा हंसना, कभी थोड़ा रूठ लेना तू. छोटी है तू बड़ी, कभी मुझसे है बड़ी, माँ जैसी तू कभी दोस्त मेरी. So that's the song.
So sweet. Very nice. You sing so well. क्या आप भी?
Thank you. I don't. This is just pure love, but you can see the whole video on my page. So please go to Ankit Batla on YouTube and check the video out.
Definitely. Okay, Ankur, a fan of yours, is saying that how did you learn acting? Like, did you had any schooling?
I did actually. So I went to theatre, and
nice.
that was back in Delhi. And in fact, he's the same theatre guru as my father. So Mr. K.S. Kalsi, we performed in Shriram Center, which is a very big theatre institute in Delhi. So I think some kind of training is always required. Obviously, acting is very internal and natural, but the polishing is done by a guru. So if you can manage, please do it.
A lot of fans have sent you hearts क्योंकि आपने बहुत अच्छा गाया है. So
thanks. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. But you have to listen to the full song.
Okay, Shakti Arora Land is asking that do you miss your brother from another mother, Shakti Arora?
Yes, but there's nothing to miss because we both are in Bombay.
Yeah.
So we keep meeting each other, and I'm so happy that he's recently gotten married to this beautiful girl Neha, and I'm very, very happy for both of them. And Shakti Arora Land, I get your messages also, and I'm so happy that you love me so much. Thank you.
Okay, Shrishti is asking who is your ideal hero?
Who is my ideal hero?
Yeah.
यार सबका अपने पापा होते हैं आइडियल हीरो. आई थिंक दैट्स फिक्स्ड, चाहे वो लड़का हो या लड़की हो, पापा. सो आई लव माय डैड, एंड आई थिंक माय आइडियल हीरो इज माय डैड. सो यस.
Okay, Aneja Jagnoor is saying, what is your upcoming project? Can you please tell? And love from Pakistan. Take my name, please.
Love from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
That's her name.
No, it's her name is Jagnoor.
Okay, hi Jagnoor. I've just finished the web series Love, Lust and Confusion on View, and there is another thing coming up for a web show, which is again going to be a web show for Zoom. So that's what is going to be next, and I will be revealing the details a little later because we are still in the process of shooting it.
Okay.
But yes, very soon on the web.
Okay, Ankur wants to become an actor, I guess. So he's asking you that theatre or acting institute, which is best to learn acting?
It depends on your calling. Both are equally good, and whatever is the closest to you and what you think you can manage with your time, just do it, because both of the places will teach you the same thing. Just do and just go for it.
Okay, now that you've sang a song, तो अभी मैं भी आपसे कुछ गाने गवाऊंगी.
अरे नहीं.
So basically, I have few English translations of the Hindi songs, and you have to guess these Hindi songs.
I'm very bad at this.
आपके fans आपको पूरी मदद करेंगे.
Okay.
अगर उन्होंने मदद किया तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि you've won ऐसा.
Okay.
ठीक है?
So guys, please listen to her and help me because I'm very bad at songs.
Let's see. Okay, one hot teacup and somebody to serve it.
I know this. एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो.
You were bad at it, right?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay, the other one is sometimes in my heart there comes a thought as if you were made only for me.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है. Okay, I don't have to sing the whole song, right?
कोई बात नहीं, आप गा भी सकते. Shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart?
Shall I tell
you? Shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart?
See, I told you I'm bad at it.
क्या
I don't know.
तीन सही बोले और
Okay.
एक.
Shall I tell you means क्या मैं बताऊं या नहीं बताऊं?
पुराना गाना. चलो मैंने एक हिंट दिया आपको.
यार पैदा भी नहीं होऊंगा.
ओके, आपके एक फैन ने मदद कर दिया तो मैं बता देती हूँ.
Please.
भव्य गुप्ता.
Yes, Bhavya.
कह दूं तुम्हें
या चुप रहूं दिल में मेरे आज क्या है.
Very nice. Okay, now that you have stolen my heart, don't steal my glance. You have changed my life, but don't change yourself, dear.
ये गाना है.
हाँ.
इतना बड़ा.
तो ठीक है, एक ही लाइन बोलती हूँ. Now that you have stolen my heart,
अब तूने मेरा
don't
दिल
steal
चुरा
my
लिया.
glance.
दिल चुराया me. No. Guys, help. Talong.
Now that you have stolen my heart, don't steal my glance. कितना easy है ये गाना.
नजर चुरा. यार मुझे तो एक ही याद आ रहा है. Guys, can you help? Now that you have stolen my heart. अब मेरा दिल चुराया है तो नजर नहीं चुराना सनम.
हाँ.
यही है ना?
आगे की लाइन.
Wait. दिल चुराया तू नहीं.
दो गाने मिक्स कर दिए. क्योंकि आपने पीछे का गैस कर लिया तो मैं आगे का बता देती हूँ. हाँ, सही है वैसे. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को,
नजर नहीं चुराना सनम. यार इतने पुराने गाने क्यों रखे?
एक दो ही पुराने हैं ना, बाकी तो नए थे. Okay, the other one is after seeing water's color, eyes started crying.
I started crying. पानी का रंग देख के आँखों से पानी आ गया. That's a song. What? Guys, ये चीटिंग हो रही है सरासर. There is no song like this.
चीटिंग में ये गाना है.
क्या?
After seeing water's color.
पानी का रंग देख के. पानी रंग.
आपको ये गाना नहीं पता? It's so famous.
Guys, help यार. You're supposed to be doing something. Please.
वो अभी तक बेचारे पहले का बता रहे थे आपको. हाँ.
Okay, I think we're running a little like
हाँ.
late. So this new song is पानी का रंग देख के.
After seeing water's color,
हाँ.
eyes started crying. ये easy भी है और आ भी जाएगा बहुत लोगों.
So guys, please tell me this now. Please help me. Did we get something?
Not yet.
Water.
चलो हम we'll go to the other song, last
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
तब तक शायद वो दे इसका
Perfect.
जवाब. Okay, your and mine love story is difficult, can't be described in 2 words. Okay,
दो लफ्जों.
आपके फैंस ने देखो रिप्लाई भी कर दिया.
And that is-
रश्मि एंड भव्य गुप्ता, इट्स पानी दा रंग वेख के.
पानी दा
See?
रंग वे- Yeah, you guys are so amazing, Bhavya, rocking. Bhavya, I don't know if I know you or not, but thank you so much.
Okay, this is the last one. Your and mine love story is difficult, can't be described in 2 words.
मुश्किल एक मिनट प्यार बोला दो लफ्ज में बयान नहीं दो लफ्ज बयान नहीं. Listen, I got the song.
Yeah, yeah.
I got the song. I told you I'm very bad at it.
You've
Two
got the
love
song, but you've not got the lyrics.
Yeah, wait. Guys, help. Okay, help. Last time. क्या था वो फिर से?
Your and mine. अच्छा पानी दा हो गया अभी. Your and mine love story is difficult, can't be described in 2 words. Okay, सृष्टि आपके एक फैन ने रिप्लाई किया. It's तेरी मेरी.
You know, I think my fans will think he's so dumb.
No, starting के सारे आपने सही दिए थे.
मेरी तेरी.
They'll be happy कि वो आपकी मदद कर पा रहे हैं.
मुश्किल दो लफ्जों बयाना. Alright guys, thank you
Very
so
nice.
much. You have really made me proud. Thanks.
Okay,
बस हो गया ना?
हाँ, गाने का हो गया. अब आपके क्वेश्चंस ले लेते हैं. अंकुर आपसे पूछना चाहता है, टेल अस अबाउट रिया शर्मा. हाउ इज शी? वन डे यू पोस्टेड अ स्टोरी दैट रिया यूजिंग हर फोन एंड यू वर टीजिंग हर.
Wow, man, you are so amazing. What's his name?
अंकुर.
Ankur, यार तुम बहुत रॉकस्टार हो यार तुम. I'm so happy and proud of you. Thanks for being, on the live chat. So Riya is so cute. I think she's adorable and one girl that you can just, I think, marry and take home. She's really adorable, a great girl and a great co-actor to work with. But वो normally लोगों से बात नहीं करती, so she's always on the phone. And I have this habit to kind of catch people on the phone. So that's what is Riya's story.
Okay, Guru Kirat is asking that you've done web and TV both. So what do you love the most?
Actually, I love both because 2 are very different mediums of cinema. But I see that web is the future medium now because it gives you so much of space to experiment. And television is bread and butter because it gives you so much of money. So I think both of them are equally lovable to me.
Okay, Niza is asking, are you missing Indonesia?
Yes, Niza, aku rindu Indonesia, aku rindu kalian Indonesia. So for others, it means yes, I miss Indonesia and I miss the Indonesian people because aku suka nasi goreng. So I mean, I love fried rice from Indonesia and I really, really miss it, guys. Kangen banget, missing you a lot.
मुझे तो नहीं समझा.
I'm sure Indonesians understood, right?
Obviously.
And guys, I did translate it in English for you as well.
Yes. Okay, Shilpa wants to know, what was your favorite subject in school?
I used to love English and I used to also love business studies. And I think accounts because our teacher was very hot. So, so not a lot of people, and if by any chance she gets to see this, I'll be killed. But she used to wear this typical Shushmita Sen sari, which is like, and she was so beautiful. I think that's the reason, only the reason I studied accounts.
Okay, and you were a topper also.
Yeah,
right?
That's the reason. Full attention.
Okay, Muskan is asking, who was your favorite co-star?
Who was my favorite co-star? I think Jaya Bhattacharya, who was playing my mother in Thapki, because so I call her mom.
Okay.
So my real mom and Jaya ma'am, they both fight with each other and say, my mom will say, he doesn't take care of himself, and Jaya ma'am will say, it's okay, he's a big boy. So I have 2 moms now, only one father.
Okay, Hisma, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So her name is, and she's saying that, Ankit, when are you coming back to Indonesia? We are really, really, really missing you.
Well, I would love to come to Indonesia very soon. So it all depends on Pa Otis and Ba Kiki. So whenever they call me, I'll be there for you guys for sure. And inshallah, very, very soon.
Okay, Rashmi is asking that, can you share few fashion tips with us?
I think Rashmi, fashion is very simple. For me, it is about what I'm comfortable in, and whatever I love to wear that particular day. It doesn't have to be following a trend, but it just has to be what you like on you and you're comfortable carrying. So, like, I never understood the concept of pencil, those pencil fit jeans, because I think it looks only good on girls. So I don't wear it, but that's the trend. So please wear what you think looks good on you.
Okay, is Mayank Arora elder than you? A fan wants to know.
Mayank
Your
Arora
poster.
is, I think, my age, the same age, I think. Yes, pretty much the same age.
Okay. If you get a chance to act in Tamil, will you act?
Yes.
John wants to know.
Yes, John. So if you know any Tamil director, please give them my reference, because it'll be amazing to work in any form of cinema, because cinema is so huge and there's so much happening every day. So yes, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, all of it.
Okay. Please come to London also if you get a chance.
So the good news is that I should be in London in around August or September. So hopefully I shall see you guys in London. So we are planning to shoot something in London, then Manhattan and Birmingham. So these are the 3 places we're going to be shooting.
Okay. A fan is asking, before acting, you did modeling?
No, I do not do modeling. I used to be working in American Express, and I was working there I joined as a call center executive, and then I moved to training expert. So I used to train people on voice and accent and process, which was the whole how to kind of deal with the clients and all that.
Okay, now we'll take a final message from you for all your fans who are there to chat with you and spend some time with you.
Great. So thank you so much for joining us, and it was lovely to come to this digital office. So guys, go and follow them. And so what is it called on digital platform? Like
IWM Buzz.
Okay, so IWM Buzz. So that's what it is. I just wanted to make sure I get it right.
Yeah.
So make sure you go and follow IWM Buzz for all the latest news, and keep pouring in all your love. And also, please go and like and subscribe to my page at Ankit Batla on YouTube, and I'm going to put this video live right now. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was lovely having you. Bye.